So we're here today at a one-bedroom suite at SunCoast Hotel and Casino. Come take a look with me. Here is the living room. It looks like we've got a 3-person bar. Take a look at what's behind the bar. So there's nothing in these drawers. It's empty for storage. Down here it looks like we have a safe for valuables. Empty space again over here. And it is empty under the sink as well. I'm not sure where, oh, I guess there's a garbage. I'm not sure where exactly you toss out your garbage, but right there. And looks like we have a mini fridge. So there's nothing to cook with here in this kitchen. There are no dishes aside from these plastic cups and your ice bucket. It's really just a place to serve your food and drinks.
Yeah.
And things like that. No cooking, and I don't see a microwave. You do a pretty decent sized dining table here for 6 people. Let's check out the view. Anything good? I like that little building right there.
Which one? The little tower sticking up?
Yeah. Other than that, it's really not a stellar view. All you really get is parking lot and rooftop. So that's not the highlight of this room, but let's move on to the bedroom. The bed is king size. The closet is cool. I thought these like French doors were really nice. Big old closet for all your stuff. TV. Sitting area. Very nice. And you have what? Your standard iron. Okay, bathroom. Ooh. Okay, tub's alright. Come check out the shower. Let's see. Oh wow. Really roomy. Check it out.
Oh wow.
We can move it in here. Okay, we'd fit someone else in here too. We can fit 2 more people in here. Just your little water closet, nothing else in here but the toilet. Looks alright. Pretty comfy. It's a nice room. Well, everybody, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our room tour here of the one-bedroom suite at SunCoast Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below and give us a thumbs up. See you next time. You can show the view.
That's the view.